Next, I want to cover an exciting release from last week. We've been working and helping out the Google TPU team on their next generation TPU backend in vLLM. If you remember, there was kind of a previous release for vLLM TPU earlier in the year. I think in like May at Google Cloud Next. And since then, they've sort of retooled and refactored a lot of things and changed the approach in order to better identify bottlenecks for large-scale inference as they really scale out their usage and deployment of vLLM with customers and the community of users. And yeah, they're finally ready to release this, powered by the new TorchAX backend, which now allows for model definitions to be still written in vLLM using PyTorch, but using TorchAX to essentially transpile Torch operations directly into JAX operations, and then using the traditional like JAX compiler stack to compile for TPUs like Google does internally, and like many of the raw TPU users do on TPU. And then also this allows them to write custom JAX implementations of models for like the very best performance when they're working with their customers. So it's actually like a very cool idea, and sort of maybe a new paradigm for mixing like PyTorch and JAX together that many companies that sort of straddle between them struggle with, as they're very different machine learning frameworks. So this may go to be useful even beyond TPUs and be useful for GPUs that want to run on JAX. But yeah, we're really excited to be working closely with the Google TPU team to help foster these experiments and ultimately push inference performance on TPUs as well, so it's easier for people that just want like cheap hardware deployments available, no matter what hardware is available, just to have the same easy to use interface within vLLM. So recommend checking out this announcement and what's been new over the past several months. And obviously there's performance improvements included in there.